Hi everybody, it's Mickey here today. Something really odd happened to me going up the highway on the 101 in California. I was going up to Santa Rosa and a stone chip came and hit the window screen on the G63. And you know, it was just a little crack at first, but it just blew up into the whole screen cracking open. Hey, have a look. It's really amazing what's actually happened, because if you look at the, I don't know if you can see it, I suppose you can see that's interior, but there we go. This little stone chip ended up cracking the whole screen all the way to the top. So it now needs the whole window screen replacing, the whole complete lot. Here's the bummer of this whole thing, is when I called up Mercedes-Benz to get the glass replaced, I just thought it's a flat screen, there's nothing to it. And in my first G63, it used to have a heated front screen, and you can see the mesh in the front screen and the switch inside. Anyway, it rings up the Mercedes dealer. How much is the front screen? It's like $2,800 for the front window shield on this particular car. And I can't believe it, why not? I didn't know, but this window screen has a built-in heated front element. And it's not the traditional element where you've got the zigzag lines in the screen you might see in the Range Rovers or the Jaguars, or you might even see them on some of the Fords, and even on the older G-Wagons. But this particular front heated screen is a new design which you can't even see. But if you actually look at the screen itself, you might see, let me see if I can get it, you might see a silver tinge to the screen. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. There you go. It looks silver, and that silver tinge is actually the heating element in the actual screen. And because of that, it actually is costing like just under $3,000. So wow. But it's interesting because I never knew it had a heated screen. I went through the build sheet, I didn't believe the guys. It's there, but it's automatic. So those of you who don't know, the G63 has a front, or the 2020 model and the 2019 model has a front heated screen. It switches on in one or two ways. Either if it's very, very cold, it switches on like your heated mirrors automatically, or if you put the full heated defrost function on where the full blowers go, it'll switch on then. There's no separate switch for it. Anyway, just wanted to let you know, need a new window screen. It's 4 weeks old. What can you do? Stay safe at home. Mercedes-Benz have ordered the screen for me. My insurance is going to pay for it, so it's all good. Speak to you soon. Bye.